I think today was a very important step forward in relation to the government's commitment to a 51% economy-wide reduction in our carbon emissions by 2030, and indeed in terms of our commitment to reaching carbon neutrality by 2050. And it's something that the government has worked very strongly on and has put a lot of work into, both in developing the Climate Action Plan and also the Climate Act over the last year. And I think the outcome today represents a really balanced one. It's not only about agriculture, although certainly in relation to the last 2 weeks, a lot of the focus has been in agriculture, but this has been an economy-wide setting of sectoral targets. So while agriculture today has achieved a 25%, allocated a 25% reduction. We're seeing, for example, in terms of electricity, the reduction is 7%, but it's important because there are other sectors here, Miriam. Electricity is 75%, transport is 50%, the built environment is 40 to 45%, and industry is 35%. Shortly after I was about 6 months after I was appointed minister, I published a Climatise, which was the first detailed sectoral roadmap for any sector of the economy that can step out the specific measures. And Chugask, our National Research Advisory Service, did significant work in relation to this. But it stepped out the various measures that can get us to 22%. Obviously, coming out of today, across all sectors, and agriculture isn't unique in this, all sectors have been asked to increase their ambition. And I'll now work with farm representatives to back farm families and to put measures in place which will improve farm family incomes, but ensure that the work that farmers and want to do to actually contribute to emissions reductions, that they're backed in that over the next number of years.
I appreciate you taking the time to come into us tonight. Thanks very much.